We'll guide you through how to create a Zapier dashboard, so you can manage all your automations in one place. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Zapier website and log into your account. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar and click on the Dashboards tab. This is where you can create a new dashboard to organize your Zaps. Click on Create Dashboard and give it a name that reflects the purpose of the Zaps you'll be managing there. Now you can start adding widgets to your dashboard. Click on Add Widget and choose from options like Recent Zaps, Task History, or Zap Performance. Each widget provides different insights and controls over your automations. So pick the ones that best suit your needs. You can customize the layout by dragging and dropping these widgets to organize them just the way you like it. If you want to dive deeper into a specific Zap from your dashboard, simply click on it, and you'll be taken to its detailed page where you can edit or view its activity. Remember that dashboards are a great way to get a quick overview and manage multiple Zaps efficiently. You can always go back and edit your dashboard by clicking the Settings gear icon on the dashboard page. This allows you to rename the dashboard, add more widgets, or even delete it if necessary. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.